Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on how to use HubSpot for absolute beginners. I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to use HubSpot CRM to manage and grow your business or startup. And for those unfamiliar, HubSpot offers an all-in-one inbound CRM platform for managing all aspects of your business growth. Within HubSpot's platform, you can import and organize contacts in one central database, send targeted email campaigns and newsletters. You can create landing pages, forms, surveys to capture leads, integrate social media, chat, ads, and way more. So basically, the platform is organized into different hubs, sales, services, and operations, and each hub includes tools tailored to that part of your business. So let's get started with HubSpot. Signing up for our free account with HubSpot takes only a minute. All you have to do is visit HubSpot.com and then click the Get Started for Free button. Choose whether you want the sales, service, or operations plan based on your needs. And then simply follow the prompts to connect Google, Office 365, or your email. After picking your account type, you'll be guided through some onboarding questions to customize your setup. And that's it, your new HubSpot account will automatically provision within seconds. You can start by importing your existing contacts into HubSpot. Under Contacts, you can manually create new contacts one by one or bulk import a CSV file from another source. I recommend importing your current contact database to have all records in one central CRM immediately. So click Import and follow the instructions to pull them in. You can then segment and organize contacts using lists. Lists allow targeting specific groups like customers, leads, trial users, and so on. Segmenting your audience is key for effective marketing. Another powerful feature HubSpot offers is email marketing and automation. And to create one, you will have to go to Email and click Create an Email, choose a pre-made template or custom template and edit it. And then you can personalize the subject line and content. You can also insert merge fields to customize messages. Under Settings, choose which contact segment to send it to, optionally connect it to an email list for ongoing sends. And once configured, hit the send button and your campaign will be on its way to your audience. In addition to email, leveraging landing pages and forms is critical for capturing new leads and traffic. So navigate to the landing pages tool and click Create Landing Page, choose a template and edit the content. You can embed forms directly on landing pages. Under Forms, create different types like email signups, surveys, Q&As, etc. And then use landing page plus form combos to convert website visitors into leads. You can also install pop-ups or banners to promote your pages. Forms will automatically collect submissions into contact records and associated lists. And then to supercharge your results, you can leverage workflows and sequences to automate repetitive tasks. Under Workflows, you can build multi-step processes to automatically enroll contacts into email follow-up sequences when they meet certain criteria. For example, send 5 educational emails over 2 weeks to nurture new signups. Workflows enroll appropriate contacts. Similarly, use workflows to trigger actions like adding a tag when someone clicks a link, reaches a certain lifecycle stage, fills out a form, and so on. Automation saves massive time and ensures consistency. After that, to track the growth, you can visit the reporting section for pre-built reports and dashboards. Choose from contacts, deals, or email forms, and so on. Filter by date range, groups, and other criteria, and visualize important metrics like leads generated, sales closed, open rates. Identify areas for improvement. And lastly, you can export or schedule reports for automatic delivery to relevant team members. Which takes us to the next and final point, collaborating with team members and users. Under Settings, you can invite users and manage permissions if you have a team. You can control security and access through roles, admin, standard, read-only, and so on. So you can organize team members with the hub they focus on, whether it's sales or marketing, and then manage the CRM collaboratively while protecting sensitive data. Additionally, HubSpot CRM integrates directly with HubSpot marketing tools for expanded capabilities. For website and blog, you can host your site directly on HubSpot's CMS. There's also social media publishing where you can schedule posts across all major platforms, pop-ups, forms, and live chat to convert traffic in real time, and ads to create and manage Google or Facebook and social media campaigns. So it is an all-in-one platform that removes need for various fragmented point solutions, providing unified data and workflows across tools. And this will be all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. If you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.